Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a black and white fade in or fade out effects to your video on CapCut. So first, just add your clip and go to adjust. Click on the saturation and lower it into -50. Click on the check icon and now add two keyframes on the adjustment, one at the beginning and the other one at the end, like this. So on the second keyframe, click on polish and change back the saturation to 0. Click on the check icon and here is the fade out result. Okay, so for the faded, just do it on vice versa. So on the first keyframe, you need to put the saturation to 0 and -50 on the last keyframe, like this. And here is the fade in. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click like, thanks, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.